Hey folks, how you doing? It's Deepak here again, back at Productivity Ninja. It's episode 3. We're still looking at writing applications, and yes, I do feel a bit funny talking out loud in a coffee shop, but I'm getting used to it pretty quickly. Okay, cool. Today we're going to talk about something that some of you guys, a lot of you guys and girls, by guys I mean everybody, are pretty familiar with. It's Google Docs, and here again is something I prepared earlier. Now, if you're a writer and what your work involves kind of collaboration, I think this is the biggest kind of power of Google Docs documents. So if I open it up here, for example, basically what you can do is, obviously, you can. It's a live online word processor that, in some ways is more powerful than Microsoft Word, predominantly because it's online. Now, obviously, Microsoft Word has their own version with Skydrive. I haven't used it in depth. I will at some point to do a review upon it. But what's pretty fantastic about this editor is that it's live online. And you can basically, let's just call this test document. It can do all the things that you'd expect of a Word editor. And the beautiful thing is that more than others can collaborate with you on the document. So at the moment it's only private to me. So what you can see is here, I've just gone to this share setting there, and I can share it with anybody that I want. So if I have a specific person, let's just, for example, my buddy's sitting just next to me, and I've actually now shared his email address. But if I want to share it with, Daniel, let's say, I can choose whether Daniel can edit it, comment, or view upon the document. And what it does is, it creates basically a hyperlink, just like there, a link to share that's accessible by only the collaborators. So basically, you can have like 10 people at a time working and updating a document. Equally, if you want to show it to people that you don't know so personally, but you want to still put it out there, you can give it to anyone with a link, or even make it public on the web. It's pretty incredible, actually. When I love showing people Google Docs for the first time, because it's awesome some of the stuff that you can do with it. So for all of you people that need to write stuff and share it online, or basically take it with you wherever you go, you can share it with the world. And you can also obviously access Gmail in the cloud by just logging into, the only thing you need is a Gmail account. So if I share it for anyone with a link now, as you can see, so I'm going to copy that link onto my clipboard. I've just grabbed it. As you can see, I'm in, well, maybe you can't, but I'm in Chrome, right? I'm in Chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up Safari now. So in Safari, just to show you guys, I'm not logged into my Gmail account. I don't believe I am. Anyway, let's find out. Okay, cool. So I'm not logged into my Gmail account. It's taking forever to load. So if I just click to load up that link there, let's try in Firefox instead. Here we go, cool. So if I click on this link to share, just here, now I'm logged in as Deepak, which is another email address that I do have. So now I've been given the link to share. Now I'm trying to type on the keyboard. I can't type, but I can see what is happening with this other account holder. So let me show you. I'm back at what? I'm in Safari now. In fact, let's close down Safari. Now I'm in Firefox now. It's getting a bit confusing, and now I'm in Chrome. Cool. So let me show you something pretty cool, and I'll show you what this application is in just a second, but I'm going to show you both screens just so for your example you can see exactly what I mean. So can you see how it updates in the other screen, and it's me, it's Deepak Shukla that's actually editing the document. So now over here I can't actually edit it. So now let's assume that this is your buddy who you're sharing the work with and you want them to leave some comments. I can share anyone with the link, but what I can also do is change what kind of access rights I have. So let's say comment now. So now I'll put comment. So if I head on over here, as you can see, just what I've done. I went to share. Anyone who has a link, they can do one of three things. So let's say comment. Just leave a comment. So I'm here now, and I believe I can. Let's hope that this demo works for you guys. Let's expand this screen. Refresh your page even. And there you go. Ta-da! I can begin. Well, it's not spelled right, but I can begin leaving comments, right? So comment there, and if I leave that there, and we flip across now, that's done. Expand the screen. There you go. So you got a comment from your buddy basically, and as you can imagine, probably see where I'm going with this, you can even ask or have your friend edit the document. So let's go to edit now. So that's that done. So wait for Google Docs, it might be refreshing. No, let's just do a hard refresh using the screen ourselves. Now it says that we're logged in 4 times. It's obviously not true, it's a glitch, but now I can edit the document on the other side, and let's refresh that. There you go. So it's Anonymous Pumpkin, as you can see, that can edit the document. So basically, that's a brief, and sorry, before I forget, just to remember that it doesn't necessarily need to be anyone, it can be specifically people that you choose. So that's a brief overview of Google Docs. It's why I think it's awesome. You should definitely use it and enjoy your writing quests. And as ever, if you want to see how I use my Mac, then head over to the URL just in the bottom left that you've seen in the screen, and you can check some cool stuff there. Right, thanks guys.